from Pier 17 at the foot of the Brooklyn Bridge in New York City. Is everyone having a good time? Yeah? Okay, it's not as hot as it could be, but it's still pretty warm out here. But don't worry, because I always got you covered. And you get a fan, and you get a fan, and a fan for you! Yes! Oh my God, you know what? I'm gonna get you one, I promise. I absolutely promise. But it's about to get hotter with our next performer. She is a multi-platinum singer with over 22 billion global streams. Like, amazing. Please welcome songwriter, producer, Ava Max.
C'est la vie. I don't need nobody. I'm loving myself tonight. It's all about me, yeah, it's good for my health. And I know how to please me. I don't need no help. Nobody can love me like I'm loving myself. Hey, let's go to yours. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I love you so much. Thank you.
All right. We are back, and we are having a great time at the Macy's 4th of July fireworks celebration. Are we not? Woo-woo! So, look, as your host, I brought some family-friendly party favors. We're gonna try something because I'm a nerd, so nerd alert. So we are going to press a button and we're gonna do a countdown. So when I say 3, 2, 1, now you're gonna press a button and we're gonna practice like we're fireworks. Cool? Everybody, you ready? 3, 2, 1, press the button. Woo! Okay, yeah. I'm into it. This is good. You guys, we're almost ready for the main event. Okay, so this woman's forthcoming third album, Don't Click Play, is out August 22nd. Help me welcome back Ava Max!
drink, someone pour me up for sex on the beach. You're on vacation from out of town. I wanna put you in my pocket, let me show you around. So don't be shy. Show me yours and I'll show you mine. You should know that I don't kiss and tell. Tell me all your dirty secrets, all your fantasies. I wanna be a blue jay, white tea, wet, hot American dream. I'm not like other cowgirls, unless you want me to be. I wanna be a blue jay, white tea, wet, hot American dream. Hot American, oh yeah. She's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so let but she's right though. At night she's screaming on my jump. Crazy, she's poison but tasty. Yeah, people say run, don't walk away. 'Cause she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. On my mind. You're just like me, you're out your mind. I know it's strange, we're both the crazy kind. You're telling me that I'm insane. Oh, don't pretend that you don't love the pain. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so let but she's right down. Never caught the kind of crazy. She's poison but tasty. Yeah, people say run, don't walk away. Hey, my mind. Happy 4th of July. Thank you, everyone.